Vietnam. 7:20 a.m. I'm about to go for a little walk. I have a cold plunge thing on the beach at 9 a.m. Work out after, and then it's just a regular work day. So I've been in Da Nang for about 2 weeks. I'd say the thing I like most is probably number one, the prices. Number two, the beach. You'll see it's really nice. It's like a Waikiki or Miami of Vietnam. It's kind of sketchy crossing the street though. Kind of just have to make a run for it. Yeah, so it's a really beautiful beach that just goes probably a mile, if not longer. And there's this nice walking path all the way along the beach. All these little beach bars where you can get a coconut for $1, get a coffee. That's been one of our morning things, is come into a beach bar and just reading, do some journaling. I obviously get in the water. All right, we're back. I'm gonna go back to the beach in like an hour. But in the meantime, do some work. Cold plunge starts at 9, so we'll head out at like 8:40. All right, we're doing our daily supplements. Creatine, essential amino acids, fish oil, 2 of these, methylated multivitamin. We got tonka ali, which I'm trying for the first time, we'll see. Electrolytes and vitamin D. So usually start my day with responding to DMs. So one of my core ways I get new clients is I do a lot of cold outreach via Instagram. So I find artists on Spotify and then I DM them. And I'd only DM artists that I actually really enjoy their music and actually want to work with. So usually start my day with just responding to DMs, and the goal with the DMs is just to develop some rapport and then book just a casual phone call where I can talk to them one-on-one, learn about what kind of projects they're working on, how they get their songs produced, if they have any goals for releasing music, and then eventually book into a full-on sales call where I'm demoing my beats and then hopefully closing a high-ticket deal. So that's kind of the flow and the funnel. So just gonna start my day with some DM responding and see if we can book any phone calls. In terms of like the DMs that I send to artists, I keep track of all the people that I find on Spotify on a spreadsheet. So it looks like this, and basically once a week I'll go ahead and find maybe 30 to 50 new artists, and then every day I'll shoot out a few DMs. Maybe it's 5, maybe it's 10, or maybe it's none, depending on my workload. If I'm really stacked with projects and not looking for new work, then obviously I won't send any DMs. So that's how I kind of keep organized with all the people that I reach out to. And I found that this is honestly the best system, cold outreach, in terms of getting new clients versus making content and trying to have artists come to you or posting a type beat on a type beat channel. Those methods, could work if you have content that does really well, but it's not predictable and sustainable. And manually finding artists that you think are great fits for your production is honestly the best way to build a sustainable income as a music producer, in my opinion. All right, it is 8:50. Let's head out to that cold plunge. Alright, we just finished the cold plunge and just walked down the beach and found a good spot under a palm tree. Workout for the day is gonna be 500 push-ups. So we'll see, hopefully I can do that in like half an hour, but we'll see how long it takes. And yeah, let's get after it. I don't think it can get better than this in terms of a workout spot. Back to the apartment, finish up the 500 push-ups, and now gonna shower and then get ready for lunch. We're meeting a friend at our go-to breakfast spot. Off to lunch. is the workstation, and it's time to film a little video for my story where I'm going to play a guitar piece that I've learned over the last couple of days. Alright, this is the piece I'm working on. Alright, just finished shooting. Now I'm gonna edit that real quick and then we'll post it either on my story or maybe I'll post it on TikTok too. Alright, sun is going down. Looks really amazing outside, and I just want to take you through a client project I'm working on right now and show you a couple things. So let's jump right into Logic here. Alright, so let me show you a little sneak peek on this song I'm working on. My client Mickey sent me this awesome demo. I'll play a little bit of it so you can hear.
I'm getting old for this drama. I really think it's your time to go. Time to go.
And then here's what it's sounding like so far.
Don't waste no time. I'm getting old for this drama. Your excuses, they are getting too old. Don't waste no time. I'm getting old for this drama.
So that's where it's at so far. We're gonna probably hire a cellist or a violin player to kind of tie in some of the parts of the vocals and add some cool ambient stuff as well. But I'd say the production's pretty much there. And if you want a full breakdown on how we went from demo to full product, I may be making a full YouTube video breaking that down. But for now, that's all I wanted to show you, and let's go get some dinner. Fiance check. You want to get dinner soon? Look at this sunset. Alright, we just had dinner, and dessert is smoothies and tea from our favorite little smoothie cart on the street. Let's see how it is. Oh, that's fire.
Oh my gosh. Trade.
So, both of these smoothies were a little over $2.
What'd you get?
Strawberry pineapple.
It's so good.
I know.
Did you try mine?
No.
Okay.
Oh my god, that's really good.
It's a guava tea. Bomb.
So what are you gonna do tonight? You gotta work?
I gotta work.
I have a call at 11. I'm gonna edit some video and do some client work, and yeah, that'll pretty much wrap up the vlog.
Yep.
Maybe I'll get another clip tonight, but thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.